I'm Gary Dunshee from here at Big Ben Saddlery. We're a custom saddle shop, retailer, manufacturer, tack. And today I'd just like to talk a little bit about saddle fit. First we'll talk about fitting the saddle to a horse's back, which is probably the most important thing. And then we'll talk a little bit about fitting the saddle to the rider. And we'll start out with getting the saddle down on a horse's back. You want the saddle to fit as close to the horse's back as you can get it, and that puts you closer to the horse's back. And on top of you being closer to the horse's back, the saddle has less chance to irritate the horse or do something bad to him if it's down close. You want to get it as close as you can without being so close that it rubs on something that it shouldn't rub. But if you get it down there, you got your rider anchored down like this, and if you're jacked up off of his back, then it doesn't work near as well as being down close to his back. That's probably the most important thing, other than not hurting their back. One of the ways that we do that, other than on the tree, we'll talk about that a little later, getting the tree to fit down close to their back, but not padding them up. You don't want to pad a horse up a lot and get that saddle jerked up off their back. We have a tendency to want to do that. If something's not going right for us, then we want to jack that saddle up by padding it. We think we're doing a good job. But there again, we're just getting everything up off of his back, and you have more chance for that lateral movement. And we don't want that. We want it down on his back.